Here I've got Sharp D10, and let me show you how to change date and time on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to open the settings, then scroll down to the very bottom of the list and click on Other Settings. Here you will notice date and time, and now you can either have an automatic date and time, or you can switch off this function, and now you can set the date and time manually by yourself, so it's up to you what time and date it currently is. Then you can also switch off automatic time zone, and the same way, simply by choosing the one that you would like to have, you can set up a brand new one. Let me pick, for example, Fiji. Then you can also use either 24-hour format clock, or you can switch off this function and have the standard one, which is 12-hour format clock. And that would be all. This is how you can change date and time in your Sharp D10, but then if you would like to go back to automatic settings, simply tap on those switchers, and now your date and time and also time zone will be set up automatically. And that would be all. This is how you can change date and time in your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.